Children, today we will write number 14 on page number 74. 1, 4, 14. Here T is written and here O is written. T means tens and O means ones. 1 we will write below T and 4 we will write below O. 1, 4, 14 is 2-digit number, right? So let us start writing. We will write 1. Starting from the middle of the box, we will make a standing line and touch to the bottom line. Now we will write number 4. Starting from the middle of the box, we will make a slanting line, slipping line, and then we will leave some space and we will make a small standing line and touch to the bottom line. Number 4. 1, 4, 14. Children, we will write slowly and with good handwriting. Again, we will write 1. So, we'll make a standing line. And to write number 4, we will make a slanting line, slipping line. Then we will leave some space and we will make a standing line. Number 4. 1, 4, 14. So again we will write. All of you speak and write. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Again we will write 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Okay, again we will write 1, 4, 14, and we will start writing number. We will start from the middle of the box and we will touch the bottom line. 1, 4, 14. Again we will write 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Again we will write 1, 4, 14. So children, this way nicely with good handwriting you will complete writing of number 14 on page number 74 in your classwork book.